All right, this is Lake with Evergreen Exteriors doing a inspection of some wind damage. These guys already talked to their insurance company. The wind damage I see right here, as far as shingles go, got a couple missing tabs here and here, one more down here. I've been looking on this slope. I can't really tell if there's any more. And then over here, I'm not seeing a ton either. We have 3 bath vents here. They're a little cracked. They're getting old. These should probably be replaced very soon. The whole roof is getting really close to needing replaced. I think they said it's 21 years old. These are Pabco shingles, so yeah, we're probably right there, ready to get them replaced. Got a couple over here. This is the degranulation showing fiberglass is a telltale sign that your roof is ready to be replaced. Once you can see fiberglass to that extent, it means we are due for replacement. Here's the other wind damage. Missing about 4 ridge cap shingles. Or hip shingles, I guess, in that case. But here is a little tab from another missing. So this is, it was stuck down here for a second, but that's not where it was. As you can see, this is still a tab here, but not sure where this guy came from. Hard to say. Got 2 power attic fans, and then I'm not positive what this is. This is kind of an interesting box to have on a roof, but outside of these 2 power attic fans, this is pretty much all the ventilation. So when replacing the roof, we do all ridge vent, but I would definitely recommend a lot more ventilation on this roof. As long as we get all these ridges vented here, that should be more than enough. But with these 2 power attic fans, I'm not sure that's getting enough ventilation. These plastic bath vents, just like the other ones, I'm sure are getting a little thrashed. Probably should be replaced, starting to crack. All the things. This one's got some lint in it, clogging it up a little bit. There's a little solar tube. And yeah, and then on this slope we can see more degranulation. That should be all.